Mabuhay! This is the look of my dining room after cleaning my living room, so let's get started! Have you guys seen my recent video, which is the small space living room setup that I did? Check out this video. And yeah, I already cleaned up my window and I already wiped them, so now I'm moving forward in cleaning my floor, the edge of this area. I use cloth and my DIY disinfectant. Check it out. That's from my another channel, which is Hooray. I did a video there. Please check it out. It's a very informative video that will help you find another alternative for cleaning. This is the DIY disinfectant that I am using, that I mentioned before. Check it out. I will link in the description and in this video. So I hope I'll see you there.
I am done in the dining room and it went well. Look at that. I love it. Thanks to my mother-in-law. With this island, I can use it as my coffee area, but for now it's cereal area. Luna. And this is very bright. I put some nice note. Be happy, be bright, be you. Yes. Looks bright, especially in the morning. Here. And that's our fishy. Say hi. And this is it. So it's gonna be the kitchen now. This is my dirty kitchen. I know. Don't judge me. I'm working on it. It's so dirty. Ah! gas boiler and bullet. What is this? Magic bullet. You should be cleaning them often as they have lots of dirt, so that when you use them, they're all clean and make sure you sanitize them. Disinfectant, perhaps. That's the same thing.
Time out. I need to cook for my family. So this is just beef and broccoli, easy to make. My husband already marinated the beef and that's it. As you can see, these are recycles, but before I put them in recycle bin, I make sure that they're clean so that they're not contaminating other recycles. In cleaning my kitchen sink, I always use baking soda. Just let it sit for 5 minutes and then you can clean it up after 5 minutes. And make sure you use a different sponge to clean it. Thank you guys for making this far. Check out my other videos. I will put them at the end of the video. I'll see you guys in those videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And subscribe for good vibes.